Hi there, everyone. Meteorologist Rusty Dawkins with KLKN Channel 8, looking for some snow, and I think I found some. And we're just close enough that the mid-range models are picking up this storm. Not the short range, but the mid-range and the long-range ones. So I'm going to show you a few here. If you want updates as we get closer and closer to the snowfall potential, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm really trying to get to 1,000. I'm getting really close. That would be great. Here we go. This is kind of the overall what's going to happen with this snow. Here's when it starts to pick up. This is Wednesday afternoon for south central and southwestern Nebraska. Then it kind of spreads across the rest of the state except for north central and northwest Nebraska, but just about everybody else by about 7 p.m. Wednesday evening. And then it really moves into southeastern Nebraska by Thursday morning, and then it should be out of here by about noon on Thursday. So that's kind of the overall pattern, more of a along and south of Interstate 80 for the heaviest snow. That's the way it looks for now. Here's model number one. This looks like the heavier stuff right here. Again, you got 2-3 inches and then a lot, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 inches of snow. Again, it's hard to get that much snow around here. Obviously, the last 2 years we haven't seen anything like that, so take that with a grain of salt. Also, if you want to know the snow that's showing up first here, that's from the Tuesday snowfall that we may see, which is more going to be rainfall and then maybe mixing in with some snow. So these models are kind of picking up on that, so kind of disregard that. It's still kind of adding to it, but this is where we're seeing the snowfall, 2 to 4 inches for this swath right here, and then 4 to 6 inches, and then maybe a little bit higher in southeastern Nebraska. So we're seeing, again, these totals are a little high than I would like. And you'll see why here in just a second, but we're getting the gist that from about Kearney to Columbus, south and east, that's where the highest chances for snowfall looks to be at. And then this model number 3, similar, is south central and southeast Nebraska for the highest snowfall amount. Again, these are really high amounts. Do I believe that? No. I mean, it's I hope it'd be nice to get a good old-fashioned snowstorm, but just from what we've been seeing lately, and this one model right here kind of proves my point, because if they were all on board, sure, then I'd be like, okay, let's go all in. But model number 4, which is a middle-ranged model, those earlier models were the long range, and they're not quite as accurate. This is a mid-range model. They're getting more accurate the closer we get. This one says 2 to 3 inches. That makes sense. Again, we could see more than this. 2 to 4 inches seems about right for south central and southeastern Nebraska, but we'll monitor this. This is a Wednesday night into Thursday kind of timing. It's Monday when I'm recording this, so we still have the rest of Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and then into Thursday, so several days yet. So I'll have some more updates tomorrow, and we'll see what the models look like then. If they're still saying high numbers, then maybe we'll see high numbers. But right now, kind of hedging my bets, and we'll see what happens. But stay tuned. More to come.